Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft connection timed out error Getsockopt. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to your taskbar right here. Right click on date and time. Now click on adjust date and time. Now in here, make sure that both set time zone automatically and set time automatically is enabled. Now once that's enabled, click on sync now. Once that's done, go to the top right, click on region and make sure to select the correct region. Okay. And once that's done, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down Windows Defender. Okay. Now go ahead and click on Windows Defender Firewall. Wait for it to load. Now click on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Okay. Click on change settings right here. And you're going to find Java and Minecraft related services. Okay. For example, Java right here. Make sure that it's set to private and public. Okay. Java. Also, if you can find Minecraft in here, make sure that it is set to both public and private as well as gaming services. Okay. Once that's done, just hit on OK. Close this one. Now go to your search bar and type down CMD. Run as administrator right here. Now go ahead and type down ipconfig space /flush DNS and just hit on enter. Now type down ipconfig space /release. Hit enter. ipconfig space /renew. Hit on enter. Now what you'll do is just type down netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter and netsh space int space IP space reset. Hit enter. Now just type down exit. Hit enter. Now restart your computer. And once that's done, you're good to go. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.